Alrighty guys, in today's video I want to show you all how to change the deck belt on a 46-inch twin blade Husqvarna riding mower. There's the mower. I actually had to put a camshaft in it. You can see right there. Camshaft. But I also have to do some stuff to the deck, but this is the belt and that's the part number. It actually superseded to a new part number, which I'll link in the description. But to start off with, you want to fold these bars, your hanger supports back, and lay the belt out just like this, and loosen these two spindle guards. Then you're going to route the belt in between them guides right there. You might have to use a screwdriver. Usually you won't have to. You can just pop them in there like that. And then you bring it around. Then you got this flat idler that sits at an angle. You're going to bring it around and clip it. We're going to go over here and do the same thing. Put it around here, slide it in, pull it around, clip it in between that guide there. Sometimes you have to pull on it or push it down in there. There we go. And then bring your flat side around and clip it between the tensioner pulley. It's just got these, I call them paper guides, because they're about as thin as a sheet of paper, and you snap it in there, and you're done. And then you have to put the belt guide back on, of course, but that's how you do it. See y'all in the next video.